Imagine you're just seconds from that passionate moment. Your heart is full of desire. And then, without warning, your erection quietly slips away. You're completely in the mood mentally, but your body seems to have other plans. And the more you worry about it, the faster everything disappears. That sinking feeling hits hard. But what if there was a discreet, simple method you could use in under a minute to bring everything back, firmer than before? It may sound surprising, but this little technique really delivers. Today, I'm excited to walk you through it step by step. Hello, I'm Rosa. For many years, I've helped men regain their natural confidence and joy in intimacy, and this is one of my favorite quick tools. If you're here for the first time, please subscribe and turn on notifications. This channel is all about honest, practical solutions for men's intimate health. Important reminder, if you're facing ongoing or severe erectile challenges linked to diabetes, heart issues, or very low testosterone, this won't solve it on its own. Please consult your doctor first. Remember, your erections often reflect your overall well-being, but when they usually perform well and only let you down now and then, especially under stress, tiredness, or nerves, this can be truly transformative. This straightforward approach has already supported countless men, and I'm confident it can make a real difference for you too. At its core, a strong erection depends on healthy blood flow. The better the flow and the longer it stays, the firmer the result. And two important systems guide this process. Your nervous system plays a major role. When anxiety or stress takes over, your body shifts into protection mode and blood vessels constrict. Your pelvic floor muscles act as a natural support system. Research published in the British Journal of Urology International found that targeted exercises helped restore normal function in many men. That's why this technique is so effective. It combines calming breathwork that naturally increases nitric oxide with a gentle pelvic floor activation that helps pump blood exactly where it's needed. Here's exactly what to do next time you feel things softening. Step 1. Inhale slowly through your nose for a count of 4, letting your belly expand fully. Step 2. Hold that breath comfortably for 2 seconds, giving your body a brief pause. Step 3. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 to 8 seconds. This extended exhale creates a wonderful wave of calm and boosts nitric oxide release. Step 4. As you breathe out, gently engage your pelvic floor muscles, the ones you use to stop the flow when urinating, and give them a soft, upward lift. Step 5. Release the muscles completely and notice the subtle sensation at the base. Step 6. Repeat this full cycle 3 to 5 times, each round to about 10 to 15 seconds, so the entire process fits easily under 1 minute. Here's the beautiful science behind it. Nasal breathing activates your body's rest and digest mode and draws on your sinus's natural store of nitric oxide, something researchers have noted since the mid-1990s. The pelvic floor squeeze adds a mechanical boost, helping push fresh blood into the tissues. Combined, they help reopen vessels and restore firmness quickly. For an extra boost, try adding a few quick body movements afterward, like 10 squats or push-ups to get circulation flowing even stronger. The wonderful thing is you can practice this quietly even during foreplay without anyone noticing. You deserve to feel confident, connected, and fully present in those special moments. This simple practice can help you get there. I'm Rosa, and I truly believe in your ability to enjoy intimacy again with ease. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.